This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Aletha Williams. Don't miss this immaculate tri-level townhome nestled in the Westport Waterfront Living Community. This corner tri-level home is 3 years young with a modern open floor. Main level includes a huge rec/media room. Level 2 offers an open floor plan, stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. Large kitchen with high cabinets and a large island. Wake up to the spectacular views and natural light throughout. Enjoy the pool, clubhouse, boating dock, private patio. Tenant occupied through end of July. Come live your best life in this low-maintenance community with the Lafayette River views. Easy commute to nearby interstates, shopping, local parks, military base, NOB, and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Aletha Williams at 757-480-2121.